Hey everybody, I know life happens. It happened to me. That's how nothing from with you. But the older you get in a life, every day you live should be like a new learning experience. And that's how we become knowledgeable and more equipped, with the information that we need to take life on. And I'm always talking to you guys, about your surroundings, especially the people around you. And this is something that, will forever be a topic because, you'll always be around people. But, may I have to tell you now again, you have to be vigilant. You have to be so cognizant of the people that are around you because, like it or not everybody is happy for you. Not everybody will be happy for you. You understand me? There are people that as soon as you start to make strides, to make your life better and progressive, it becomes a problem for them. And, one of them kind of people around you because at the end of the day, who wants to stay in one situation forever? Who wants to suffer forever? I know I don't. So I'm always on the move of trying to make my life better. I know what it feels like to be poor. I don't want to be poor. You understand me? I know what it means to be poor and take it. I know what it means to be hungry. I know what it means, for the outer road I played my friend them and rain start falling. I have to left the plane because I have to run down me and just set a bucket. I know what it feels like to want to go to school and have to stand up and I decide which taxi man I go beg a ride today because I begged that one day yesterday I don't want him shame me. I know what it feels like to be at school and be so hungry that I can't wait for reach home if I forgot to eat like a rice or whatever my mother prepared for me. Understand me? And some people won't understand that. Some people, if they never lived your past with you, they will never understand your present and what you're trying to do for the future. So you have to be careful of who you have around you. And they don't need to understand it either. If you're in a certain situation and you're trying to make progress, come on, progress. Everybody should have feel happy for progress. But unfortunately, not everybody is like that. And as soon as them see your life start up a little, it becomes a problem. Them start sidestep you, them start eyeballing, them start do all manner of evil. They're not happy for you. But nobody knows what propels you to be doing what you are doing. That's why I don't have no bag of friend. I don't want no bag of friend either. You understand me? Because not for them a friend killer, and we know that. And not killing in a physical form of killing, but they'll kill your dreams, just them old vibe, just them old attitude. You have to get away from people like them there if you want something out of life. So this one bag of friend something, I always tell people, especially if you meet and work a foreign. It's what if a friend something work a foreign because yes, when me comes to bad mind, especially, Me never say people bad minds until me come at this place and come live. You understand me? People don't even know your struggle. People don't even know where you come in. Them only come see where you're in now, but they don't know how you come start out. And if I tell you my start out, you'd be happy for my right now. You understand me? But this what if a friend thing, me realize it's not work out. So you have to just do what you have to do. As I said, certain information you keep to yourself. Know your circle. Certain people you can't share certain things with. Everybody need that because somebody with them can confide in her, but you have to be careful who your confidant is because some of them confident and come like some old fridge, tell them something and the whole neighborhood know. You understand me? So just go and do no thing. You understand me? And this whole friend having friends, whole heap of friends. It's not an honor. It's not a trophy. So you don't need to feel out. If you don't have this bag of friend. Some of them just load. I'm telling you, elevation requires separation, and it's true. There's no way you can be going to the top. You understand me? And you have some of the same people and where you have run you from day one at the bottom. Look at your circle, assess. And some of them same people are bringing you down. You don't want that. Life is hard as it is. As me say, life is like a big pizza pie. A slice is there for everybody, and nobody can take your slice. You have to get it yourself. But some people will try everything in them power, if it hinder you from getting that, and you don't want that. You don't want them kind of people around you. Family members too. You understand me? So not just friends alone. So if you want something good out of life, just go and work for what you work for. You understand me? If you realize that there are people around you who are genuinely unhappy because you're trying to make something out of life, get rid of those people. You understand? Because them come like ringworm. Them bad energy just go spreading in your life, and before you know it, you're all you don't have nothing in your life. You don't need this whole heap of friends. You have one and two close ones, we can look on you and tell us, yo, where you doing the right, where you do wrong. And then people, you want people around you that are not gonna be objective, and they're gonna be so truthful to you that it will make your life so much easier. Get rid of some friend, not for them a friend killer, as me say. You understand me? And this one a bag of friend something. It's not a prize. Enjoy your day.